Welcome to Slide's video tip of the month. This month's tip is actually really quite simple. We just want to run you through the 5 main product categories that Slide offers. Despite being in business for 73 years now and having thousands of customers around the world, we're oftentimes told, hey, I didn't realize that Slide offered that. So I'm going to run you through our 5 main product categories. We have our popular line of mold release agents. These help to prevent the plastic part from sticking in that mold during the production cycle. We have our very popular line of mold cleaner products. This cleans any sort of contamination from those molds and dyes to ensure that the plastic processor is able to efficiently produce those plastic parts. We have our rust preventative line. This helps to protect those molds and dyes during periods of non-use and storage. Could be over the weekend, could be up to a year, maybe or so in storage. And we also have our popular line of ejector pin greases. This is used to lubricate those ejector pins and really any and all moving mold components. And finally, we have the Slide line of purging compounds designed to remove that unwanted resin or color deposits from your screw and barrel assembly. So Slide can be your one-stop line for all your chemical processing needs for plastic processors and mold shops. If there's anything we can help you with, please contact Slide Products. We'd love to have a factory rep stop by or help you select the best items.